How to change the background color in Lightroom. Open Lightroom and import your photo. Navigate to the Develop module located at the top of the screen. Click on the masking icon. It looks like a circle with a dotted line around it in the toolbar. From the masking options, select Background. Lightroom will automatically detect and create a mask for the background. If the automatic selection isn't perfect, you can refine it. Click on Add or Subtract in the masking panel to include or exclude areas from the mask using tools like the brush, linear gradient, or radial gradient. Use the feather slider to soften the edges of the mask for a more natural blend. With the background mask selected, go to the Color panel in the right-hand sidebar. Use the Hue, Saturation, and Luminance sliders to change the background color to your desired shade. As you adjust the color settings, preview the changes in real time to see how the new background color looks with your subject. Continue tweaking the mask and color settings until you are satisfied with the result.